Welcome to my cooking channel, Ashwini Tarkar's cookbook. Let's get started with today's recipe. Let's make rice pancakes in coconut milk, that is Ani Goad Ros today. For the pancake batter, take quarter measure urad dal, 2 measure poha or beaten rice, 4 measure rice. I have used the small grain Sona Masuri variety. To this mix, we will add half teaspoon methi seeds or fenugreek and wash and soak for 6 hours. Keep it covered. After 6 hours, grind to batter. You can discard the excess water from the rice mix. When you grind it, check the consistency. We don't want it too thin or runny. It has to be slightly coarse, not very thin. Cover and ferment for 8 to 10 hours. After fermenting, add salt. Mix well. Add water to adjust the consistency. We don't want it too thick. It has to be pouring consistency. Otherwise, the pole, that is the pancakes, will be too thick and hard. For the coconut milk, we will use 1 cup fresh coconut and 1 cup warm water. Grind and extract the milk. You can do this process once more with half cup water so that the total milk can be extracted from the coconut. Now discard the residue after extracting the milk. To this coconut milk, we will add 1/3 cup jaggery or less if you like less sweet, and quarter teaspoon cardamom powder and quarter teaspoon salt. Mix the jaggery well in the coconut milk. Now in a 7 compartment pan, apply ghee. We will make small pancakes with the batter. Pour little batter into each slot and cover and cook. Flip and cook on the other side. Remove on a plate and cool it. We will soak this in coconut milk. So for the serving, take the pancake in a bowl and pour the coconut milk with the jaggery on it. Ideally soak it for around 10 minutes. You can soak all the pancakes in the coconut milk and then serve. That also works. Now garnish with ripe banana slices and nuts. This is optional, but banana tastes very good with this. You can see how well they have soaked. Now this pole and goad ros is ready. This tastes better than rasmalai and it is dairy free. So vegan people can also enjoy this. Thank you for watching. If you have liked my recipe, subscribe, like and share it with someone who loves cooking. See you in the next video.